Welcome to Khuzestan, one of Iran's most diverse and fascinating provinces. Here in Behbahan, nature and history come together in a way that feels almost magical. From lush riversides to mountain peaks, this land is full of surprises. Even the animals here seem to enjoy the beauty of the region. From playful goats climbing rocky hillsides, to birds filling the skies with song, Khuzestan is alive with movement and charm. In the countryside around Behbahan, life flows peacefully, yet with an energy that is timeless. And hidden among the mountains, you'll even find secret spots like this natural mini swimming pool, where clear, cool water reflects the endless sky. These are the kind of places that remind you just how rich and refreshing Iran's landscapes can be. But Khuzestan is not only about nature, it's a cradle of civilization. From the ancient city of Susa to the Elamite and Persian empires, this land has been a center of culture for thousands of years. Behbahan itself has roots that reach deep into history, known for its warm people and vibrant traditions. Here, between history and nature, Khuzestan shows us that beauty isn't just in the scenery, it's in the spirit of the land itself.